Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to manage the backlight settings on Sandberg Survivor Lantern. Go into Settings by clicking and holding the gear button. Click OK for System, then scroll to Backlight. OK, and here you have Timeout, On Level, and Dim Level. So for example, timeout we have 10 seconds, we'll switch it to 30. On level, high, medium, low, we'll stay with high. And dim level, medium, low, and high. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.